For ages, humanity has looked up at the sky, filled with curiosity about the mysteries of the universe. In the 20th century, scientists introduced the theory now known as the Big Bang theory. This theory struggled to provide clear answers to critical questions regarding the origins, development, and expansion of the cosmos. However, recent discoveries have made these puzzles even more intricate. In 2023, NASA's James Webb Telescope made an extraordinary discovery by identifying celestial bodies that seem to predate the universe itself. This revelation has left scientists in a state of confusion, contemplating the possibility that a star could exist for a period longer than the universe's existence. Does this challenge our current comprehension of the universe? Could this suggest the need for a new model to help us make sense of this anomaly? These pressing questions and many others will be explored in this video. If you're interested in staying updated on cosmic news and developments, consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and activate the notification bell. Approximately 200 light-years away lies a remarkable star known as HD 14283, located in the constellation Azon-Lie. This ancient star's incredibly high velocity of 4,483 km per hour offers important insights into its dramatic past. Around a billion years ago, our Milky Way galaxy merged with a dwarf galaxy, which was the star's original home. However, what makes HD 14283 even more astonishing is not its speed, but its age. This star is one of the oldest celestial bodies observed to date, earning it the nickname Methuselah, after the biblical figure said to have lived 969 years. Initial estimates suggested the star's age at a staggering 16 billion years, but more recent calculations have revised this to about 14.46 billion years, with a margin of error of 800 million years. This figure presents a serious conundrum when compared to the age of the universe, which we calculate, based on observations of the cosmic microwave background radiation, to be approximately 13.8 billion years. The question then arises, how could a star be older than the universe itself? At first glance, this seems impossible. This paradox has prompted further investigations into the star's age, the accuracy of our dating methods, and the true age of the universe, opening the door to more profound explorations into these cosmic mysteries. To understand this better, it's important to recognize that determining the age of celestial objects is an extraordinarily complex task. Stars like our Sun remain stable in size and temperature for billions of years, making it challenging to estimate their age. Astronomers rely on subtle changes in the brightness and color of stars over time, comparing these changes with mathematical models that predict stellar evolution. A crucial factor in determining a star's age is its rotation rate. Over time, stars slow down much like a spinning wheel, losing speed due to friction. By comparing the rotation rates of stars of different ages, astronomers have established mathematical relationships that allow them to estimate stellar ages through a method called gyrochronology. Methuselah is indeed ancient. It is the oldest star in the universe whose age we can estimate with reasonable accuracy. Instead of wondering whether it might be more than 2 billion years older than its surroundings, we can approach the issue from another perspective. Could the universe be older than scientists initially thought?